Hello, this is Sigma Bob. In this video, I will be discussing problem 20 from the AMC 10 2025A. We will carefully examine the problem statement, identify the key idea required for its solution, and work through the steps in a clear and systematic way. Let's get started. Here is problem 20 from the AMC 10 2025A. A silo, which is a right circular cylinder with diameter 20 meters, stands in a field. McDonald is located 20 meters west and 15 meters south of the center of the silo. McGregor is located 20 meters east and G meters south of the center where G is greater than 0. The line of sight between McDonald and McGregor is tangent to the silo. The value of g can be written in the form a root b minus c all over d, where a, b, c, and d are positive integers, b is not divisible by the square of any prime, and d is relatively prime to the greatest common divisor of a and c. What is a plus b plus c plus d? This is a coordinate geometry problem involving tangency to a circle and solving for a parameter using distance and slope relationships. Pause the video here if you'd like time to solve the problem yourself. Now let's go through the solution. Place the center of the silo at the origin. MacDonald and McGregor form a line that is tangent to the circle, so we use geometry and similar triangles to relate the distances. We focus on two triangles that turn out to be similar, which lets us set up a proportion between corresponding sides. The radius of the silo is 10, and the midpoint of the segments between the two people helps us express one of the lengths in terms of g. Using these relationships, we translate the geometry into an equation comparing the scale distances. After simplifying that relationship, we end up with a quadratic equation in g. Solving this equation gives g in the form of a square root expression. Simplifying that expression gives g equals 20 square root of 21 minus 75 all divided by 3. From this, we identify a equals 20, b equals 21, c equals 75, and d equals 3. Adding them together gives 119. So the final answer is choice A, 119.